Here we're asked to find the distance of segment PQ given that P is 3, negative 2 and Q is negative 1, 2. So this is finding the length of a line segment with given 2 points. So the equation for that is D equals the square root of the difference between x's squared plus the difference between y's squared. So if we use that equation here, we see D is equal to the square root of, let's look at the second x is negative 1, and the first x is 3, so we find the difference between those two, and then we square it, plus second y is 2 minus the first y, which is a negative 2, and we square that. So the D is equal to square root of 1 minus negative 1 and a negative 3, which is negative 4 squared, plus 2 minus a negative 2, so that's really 2 plus 2 squared, which we know is 4, and negative 4 squared, so D is the square root of negative 4 times negative 4 is 16, plus 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 squared is also 16. So what we have is the square root of 16 plus 16, or D, equals the square root of 32. Now you see that you don't have 32 as an option in the answers, but if we simplify 32 by factoring it, we could get D equals the square root of 16 times 2. And we can take that 16 out of the radical sign because it is a perfect square. The square root of 16 is 4, and now we see the distance is 4 radical 2. And the answer is C.